Yakini kisispa prapu prangut Nongialehkai rengkat bat san pesaungut ki coach Shah Pynkup Burom do Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma kum kongsan rengkat kejengidan lang Director Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs Nongialam ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association bat kibai-kibai. Menteri Rangba Kejelau ula pelat dru ya ke Sports Scholarship Scheme na kebentaban ajing yarap Nongialehkai Kejelau kibeli okori kita kemah kilempung yako. Kum kejeng ai mensi meki bagi Nongialehkai bahasa syuk bat banuan raknam bat buram ya Kejelau bat ikarihi berokowai. Habakran ha kejeng yelang Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula ai kublai ya Nongialehkai ke balangan raknam bat buram da kejeng ya Takma ha ke North East Olympic Games arhajar arpuar. Baru loong bak sorkar kanyai beteng ban ajing kersan bat jeng yarap Nongialehkai Kejelau bagian laban job ha kejeng ya kop hakari bat syabari rukum jo. Menteri Rangba ula penpau kejing kermens camp bak Kejelau Meghalaya kan yok kekerdan ke Beningkong haga North East Olympic Games ke Banlong hakis nam Banwan bat kan laru ban yok kur pun kita kema haga National Games.
When I say that the youth is our greatest strength, I mean it. And every step that I take and every point and every program that we do, all of this is leading towards this one particular thought in my mind, that if we are to unleash the energy and unleash the opportunities and the entire capacity of the youth, we must be able to channelize their energy. And it is the government's job and the government's policy making that will enable us to channelize your energy. If these youths that you saw on the screen are not playing the sports, are not being able to allow to go into their musical field, are not able to go into different interests like sports or fashion, well, we can expect that they will find another way to unleash their energy. And that energy may be a very destructive one. And hence, as a government, it is our duty, as a society, it is our duty to allow you to be able to do what you do best, to allow you to follow your passion, to be able to do the things that you believe in, the things that you're really, interested in. And that's really where all of this comes from. This is the reason why we do the Meghalaya grassroots program, where 500 musicians today are being paid by the government of Meghalaya to perform and to be able to do what they do best. It's the reason why we have programs like Aspire Meghalaya, where we want you to be confident, and that small nudge that is required for you to be able to unleash your potential. Aspire programs will build that confidence in you. We did the youth survey because we want to be sure that what we think you want is exactly what you want and not what we want. Because without a survey, we'll be sitting in the Secretariat and making a policy which you may not even want. And so without knowing what you want, we can't make a program and policy and plan. Hence, if you see and connect all these dots, all these activities that are going on everywhere, there is a purpose behind each one of them. It's not that we just want to organize a great Northeast Olympics. Of course we want to. But there is a much larger picture and a goal towards this entire thing. I look at our youth who are here today, the 12 lakh youth who are in the age category of 12 to 20 plus, 29, 30. And we look at this category and we say that, well, these are the youth that are going to be then taking our state and our nation forward in the next 10 years, 15 years. What would we want you to be? Whether you're in sports, or whether you're in education, whether you're in political life, whether you're in social life, whatever you are in, whatever you do today is going to shape you to become what you should become 10 years from now, 15 years from now. And if we as a government and as a society fail to give that space to you and the chance to you, well, then we can expect the worst in the coming 15 years, 10 years. So we may not be able to see the whole result or the outcome of what we are doing today, but trust me, you will look back after 10 to 15 years and then you will look back and say that, well, this is exactly what we planned for. So it's a long journey that we are all working towards. It's a hard journey, but we have to work it and we have to plan it. We may not be able to do everything perfectly, We started and we struggled in the beginning. After 16 years hosting the Meghalaya Games, huge challenges were there. Huge difficulties we faced. MSOA faced a lot of criticism. Government of Meghalaya faced a lot of criticism. People started making fun of us and started to say, well, we couldn't even organize Meghalaya Games, why don't they organize Northeast Olympics? But that was a challenge we took up and we said, no. Well, we'll do it even better than what anybody could ever expect. And we did it with all your help and support. And so it's really, that's what it's all about. And I'm so happy that not only did it go well, but more importantly, I'm happy that all of you have done really extremely well. And I hope that you will continue to do more in the future.